Amish gardens are legendary for their rich soil, vibrant crops, and massive yields. But what's their secret? It's not magic, it's method. It's about working with nature, using simple, time-tested practices passed down through generations. Today, let's uncover the 7 simple practices behind their incredibly productive gardens. The foundation of every Amish garden is the soil, built with aged cow and horse manure. Nature's original fertilizer. Instead of synthetic chemicals, they compost manure, transforming waste into nutrient-rich black gold. This compost is carefully aged, turning into a slow-release feast for plants. It improves soil structure, water retention, and long-term fertility. By using what they have and giving back to the earth, Amish gardeners create a sustainable cycle. Their compost isn't just fertilizer, it's an investment in the garden's future. This is the first step to a thriving, resilient garden. Amish gardeners build their beds like a layered lasagna, cardboard to suppress weeds, then compost, kitchen scraps, and dried leaves. Each layer breaks down, creating loose, fertile soil that holds moisture and drains well. Nothing goes to waste. Every scrap has a purpose. Over time, these layers transform into the kind of soil gardeners dream of. The result? A self-sustaining ecosystem that gets richer every year. This method feeds plants season after season, not just once. It's the secret to deep, living soil. Crop rotation is key. Amish gardeners never plant the same crop in the same spot year after year. Beans and peas enrich the soil with nitrogen, so they're followed by heavy feeders like corn or greens. This natural rotation balances nutrients and keeps pests guessing. It's a simple way to prevent disease and reduce the need for chemicals. By moving crops, they break pest cycles and build healthier soil. It's a time-tested strategy for a resilient garden. Amish gardens are alive with flowers and herbs, not just for beauty, but for natural pest control. Marigolds repel nematodes and moths. Nasturtiums lure aphids away from veggies. Basil near tomatoes deters hornworms and boosts growth. Companion planting, like the 3 sisters of corn, beans, and squash, creates a self-sustaining community. Each plant supports the others, reducing pests and weeds naturally. No chemicals needed, just smart, harmonious planting. Nature does most of the work. In Amish homes, kitchen and garden are connected. Nothing goes to waste. Eggshells are crushed and sprinkled around tomatoes for calcium. Coffee grounds feed acid-loving plants. Even cooled pasta water is used to nourish garden beds. This thrifty approach recycles nutrients and builds fertile soil. It's not about buying more, it's about using what you have. Every scrap helps create the rich earth Amish gardens are known for. Waste becomes treasure. Amish gardeners cherish heirloom seeds, passed down for generations, adapted to local conditions. These seeds produce resilient, flavorful crops and preserve agricultural heritage. Saving seeds each year ensures a reliable, abundant harvest. Dense planting maximizes space, shades soil, and suppresses weeds. The result: higher yields and less work. Heirloom seeds and smart spacing create gardens that are both productive and beautiful. It's tradition and efficiency, hand in hand. Water is precious, so Amish gardeners use it wisely. Mulch, like straw or wood chips, keeps soil cool, reduces evaporation, and adds organic matter. Deep, infrequent watering encourages strong roots and drought resistance. Drip irrigation and rain barrels deliver water right where it's needed. Every choice conserves water and builds resilience. Their gardens thrive even in dry spells. It's a holistic, sustainable approach to watering. These 7 practices aren't just secrets, they're a philosophy. Amish gardening is about nurturing soil, respecting nature, and using resources wisely. You don't need chemicals or fancy tools, just patience, compost, and a willingness to learn. Start small. Try composting, plant marigolds, or save seeds. Every step connects you to the earth and builds abundance. Your garden can be more than a food source. It can nourish your soul. Create your own piece of earth and let it grow.